Today is Sunday, the 25th of April, 2021, and welcome to the English language summary of the daily press briefing on the COVID-19 situation. Today, we have the new number of confirmed cases standing at 2,438 cases. We have today new recoveries standing at 547. We now still have a number of 24,207 active cases that are being treated in medical facilities. In those medical facilities, we have 507 cases who are in critical condition and 138 cases who are on ventilators. I'm very sad to report we've reached another new high. We've got today 11 new fatalities. Currently circulated news that we can negate and say that this is fake news. There was news circulated in the internet regarding chartered flights from India, leaving India to Thailand. We can negate and say that this news piece is false. We have never issued any certificates of entries for such Indian nationals to enter Thailand. On the 1st of May, starting on the 1st of May, flights from India, from Thailand to India, from India to Thailand are only to be arranged as repatriation flights. They are to be only for Thai and Indian nationals who have requested to return to their respective homes. So, starting on the 1st of May, we will delay the issuance of COEs for foreign nationals who want to travel in between Thailand and India. To report on the top 10 provinces that have highest number of COVID cases, Dr. Tuisin also said that Bangkok again is number one in the top 10 list with 1,078 cases. Chiang Mai has 163 cases, Nonthaburi 115, Samut Prakan 77, Chonburi 75, Pathum Thani 56, Nakhon Si Thammarat 55, Nakhon Ratchasima 54, Surat Thani 54, and finally Samut Sakhon with 52 cases. On other measures, I'd like to report that yesterday the Prime Minister released a public statement on his initial orders to strengthen the capacity of the public health system to cope with a new wave of COVID in the country. He has ordered all agencies to prepare additional beds that are of hospital standard in terms of treatment and medical care to resolve the urgent issue about the roster of hospital beds in the Bangkok area, which are currently near maximum capacity. He's also instructed to help to reduce the number of quarantine days for the asymptomatic group from 14 days to 10 days. These are for the patients who are they will be followed up by strict quarantine at home with stringent track and trace system so that patient beds can be turned over faster. We will be intensifying public health measures to stem the spread of COVID in all provinces in accordance with the situation on ground as deemed necessary by the governors of the province, including the temporary closure of venues as appropriate. And the public is also asked to refrain from leaving their residence at certain hours, bearing in mind the impact of these measures and also risks. And so the Prime Minister himself will oversee the implementation of these measures. Also, I'd like to update you of measures that Bangkok Metropolitan Administration has implemented effective 26th of April. They've ordered for 31 types of venues in Bangkok to be cinemas and theaters, water parks, amusement parks, zoos, skateboarding parks, snooker and billiard places, bowling and video games, arcades, game shops, public swimming pools, exercise facilities, museums, public libraries, nurseries, exhibitions, convention centers, and some service venues. Shopping malls have been also reduced business hours to start from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Beauty salons, hairdressers can open, but no one can wait inside. All types of sporting fields are closed. Public parks are also closed. And convenience stores can open now only from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Lastly, there are no meetings for more than 20 people at a time. And most importantly, compulsory mask wearing measures are now in order. So anyone in public areas found without wearing masks will be fined at 20,000 baht. And as I said, this order will be effective for 14 days, starting 26th of April, that's tomorrow, Monday, until the 9th of May 2021.